Hi everyone. In this video, we talk about how to open a chart in Metastock. What you need to select is the area where File, View, Tools and Help is written. You select File, you go to New and you see the chart. A shortcut way could also be using Alt F, N and C. Look very carefully. There are initial letters which are underlined and these are the shortcut points. When you select the chart, you can select any of the data points which you want to open. So let us say I want to select State Bank of India. Now make sure whenever you are searching any chart in the folder and you also remember the NSE symbol, you can immediately type the NSE symbol. So for instance, I would type SBIN. And the moment I select SBIN, you can see a State Bank of India getting selected. If I want to change it to Reliance, it would be Reliance. You can see the selection is getting changed. Now going back to Axis, I am changing and typing the letter. Now what I need to do is just press enter because already this open is highlighted and this will give me an additional advantage to open. So either I can just immediately press enter or I can use my mouse and press open. Now when I open, you might see your charts in a different way and you might actually want to change the format of the prices or the way this chart is getting displayed. What you can do, you can go to format, you can select the prices. The moment you select prices, this dialog box opens for the chart. Now the price style can be selected by dropping down this list and the price style of your choice can be selected from these options. So let us say I prefer candlestick. I select candlestick. Make sure you don't change the colors. Otherwise, it might create some confusion. Keep it black. Press OK. And here you are with the price chart. Let us say if you want to change it to any other chart, let us say line chart, you change here and select line and press OK. The candlestick is changed to line. Another way to select the data is select the price point or press double click by selecting the data points. Immediately what is opened is the same properties dialog box. This is an alternate way to go to properties, or the third way could be you just make sure your cursor is on the price line and you press right arrow. What do you see? Axis Bank Limited properties. Now note, if you have opened any other stock price, this would be named as that stock's properties. So for instance, if you have opened State Bank of India chart, it will show State Bank of India properties. Now you again select properties and the same thing is opened, which is the dialog box. I want to come back to the candlestick. I select this, press OK, and here I am. Now, if you look very closely, there are two different chart windows in the same chart, which is the first area is for price and the second area is for volumes. And these two is been separated through this horizontal line. If you look carefully and gradually move your mouse and use your mouse to drag and shift the sizes of these two chart windows by changing these two. And as per your suitability or as per your requirement, you can change the size of these two boxes of the charts. Now, as per your understanding, the moment you feel that yes, this is the setup what you want to have every time you open any chart in Metastock, what you should do is you press this right click and save the format as save as default template. The moment you save it, it will ask, do you want to replace existing default template? Press it yes, and your previous default template will be replaced by this existing setup. So every time you open any other stock, this is the setup what you are going to get.